Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link for it down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 225. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 5, 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 1 here, so 7, 1. For this bottom row, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 2. 5 here, so 4, 5. For this row, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 7. 3 here, so 7, 9. 7 here, so 3, 9. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, 7, and 8. We've got the 6 here, so 3, 7, 8. 6 here, so 3, 7, 8. 8 here, 6 and 7 here, means this is our 3. 7 and 8 makes this our 6. We can get rid of this 3 and this 3. That 3 means this is our 9, 7, 3. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 4. And I don't see any help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this column, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 8. No help here, 2, 3, 8. 2 here, so 3, 8. That means the only place our 2 can be in that row is here. For this row, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 9 here, so 3, 9. And that 3 makes this our 8, 3. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 8. 8 here, so 1, 6. 6 here, so 1, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this row now, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 4. 3 and 4 here means this is our 2, 4, 3, and that 4 makes this our 2. For this column, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. That 6 makes this our 8. That 1 makes this our 6, 1. That 8 makes this our 7, 8. And for this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 4. 7 here, so 2 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.